back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are new here, I'm Sammy Jayne. I do lots of makeup things, I do lots of nail things, I do lots of things. Lots of things. So please do hit the subscribe button. I'm uploading 4 times a week. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday, hopefully. So far, I'm kind of doing alright with the little schedule I've got going on. So fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. But yeah, please do hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the bell. Don't forget to hit the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos. So basically, today's video is, it's my first ever client, basically. I've been doing nails for a little while. I always do my own nails and I use the hand, and you guys will have seen a few videos, but this is going to be the first video on an actual real life human being client. It's not too scary because it's just my boyfriend's sister, but yeah, I was a little bit nervous and I think it went really well. I think they looked really good afterwards. This is an acrylic overlay and gel polish on top. Now, I have used gel polish from my new collection. If you're interested in seeing the collection, I have got a video coming. I'm not sure if it's going to be before this one or after this one, but it'll be a similar time, like maybe in the same week or the week after or the week before, of swatches for, I think I had 12 colours to swatch. So these two are in the collection, and the polish that I'm using in today's video is also in the collection. I'm really, really pleased with this collection. I think it's the brand that I'm gonna use as my main, like, gel polish brand, because you kind of need to have one, don't you? I don't want to have like a mixture of loads of different ones. I thought that this would be a good one to choose, and I really like it. They're called Fairy Glow, but I will have that video, so please keep an eye out for that and check that out. I'm gonna buy more and do more videos, but I don't have any money at the minute and I need to stop spending money. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling on. I'm going to let you guys watch me do my very first client. I hope you enjoy this video, guys. So without further ado, let's see how I got on with my very first client. So I've already done the usual prep with this nail. I've pushed the cuticle back on that, and I'm just actually going over now with a file and taking off all the surface shine, making sure all the cuticle is gone and away. And I decided to do this one hand at a time. As you know, I have been struggling with doing the dehydrating and the primer. I've just been struggling to remember to do it. So what I decided to do was just do one hand at a time and actually go through and do it all in one go. So after dusting away all the dust, I'm then dehydrating all 5 nails. And I'm then also going to prime all 5 nails. That way I don't need to remember each time. Just giving it a little bit more shape. So this client already did have quite long nails, which is why she chose to just have an acrylic overlay, because I think she's wanting to grow these slightly. And obviously the acrylic overlay is going to give them a little bit more strength. So once I've primed, I'm now going in with the acrylic. Now, it was so strange doing this because obviously I'm used to working on the trainer hand, and obviously the trainer hand nails are quite big. And these, I was just like, oh my god, her nails are so small. She had like really small nail beds, and I was like, ah. So I did actually end up wasting quite a bit of acrylic here to start off with, because obviously, you know, I got way too much on my brush. And just for reference, I am using my Essential Nails number 10 brush, which I absolutely love this brush. It's so good. I'm also using Nail Nails I'm using Nail Nails acrylic basically. I'm using the medium speed monomer, and I'm using I think this is like a sheer pink that I'm just using now. We're just going to be painting the nails afterwards, so yeah. So my application is definitely not perfect here, guys. I feel like I've gotten a lot better even since filming this video, but definitely finding it a little bit tricky when working with real people. I guess because I'm used to practicing on the hand, that's what I'm used to, and I need to do more practice on people, I guess. So just giving a good sanitize of the other hand, and then I'm going to go in and repeat everything that I've just done on this hand. Also, look at her poor little pinky finger. She had a little cut on there. I didn't do that. She already had that cut, but yeah. Oh, just as well, I did decide to go in with my cuticle bit, and it was so much quicker doing this hand because I decided to use my drill. And yeah, that cuticle bit is so good. I just love it. So I'm now just going in and I'm just filing all the nails. And the application wasn't horrible, but there was quite a bit that needed filing. So yeah, this process was medium long, I guess. Just did the sidewalls, cuticle, and all over the nail. Because the nails were so short, there wasn't really an apex or anything. This was just literally, you know, quite a flat overlay, if you will. And yeah, it wasn't too bad, so just give it a good old file. For some reason, on this little finger here, I ended up getting quite a lot underneath the nail, so I'm just using the cuticle bit there to just file the underneath bit away, because obviously you don't want to be leaving that because that's just going to be annoying. So after I filed all 5 nails, I then gave them a good brush off, make sure that all the dust was gone and they were nice and clean. I then went over with a buffing block. Obviously, I did all of this process on the other hand as well. And then after I'd finished all of that, it's time to go in with a polish. So I'm using the Fairy Glow polish here. As you can see, there's the little swatch. I love these so much. They are so nice. So I did one coat and then cured, and then I did a second coat and then cured, and then I also went over the top with the Fairy Glow shiny top coat, which is very shiny. And just look how sparkly and holographic these polishes are. Oh my god, I just love them so much. I cannot get over how nice they are. They're just so sparkly. I just love it. So obviously I did wipe over with the Neo Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution. And then this here is the final result, and I just love it. So pretty. And that is the finished result. I'm really pleased with it. I think it went alright. I think I did an alright time as well. Timing's definitely going to be my biggest thing that I need to work on, because obviously I am still new to it and I am practicing all the time, and hopefully I'm going to get faster and faster, but at the moment I do take my time with things. I feel like I am just that kind of person anyway. I like to take my time and make sure things are done right, rather than like rush through it and it not quite be how I want it or how they want it, or just not be quite right, if that makes sense. So yeah, I am quite slow. But I'm quite happy with the way it went. I think we did an alright time, an alright job. What do you guys think? Leave me comments down below, especially my actual nail people who know what they're talking about and know like that I did everything wrong or whatever, please do leave me comments down below. I'm always looking for tips and advice, always, so yeah, thank you in advance for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Leave me comments if you did or if you've got any challenges or anything like that nail wise that you want me to do, because I definitely want to get some more nail videos done. I've got loads coming up for you guys, seriously. I'm doing quite well. I've got a lot of videos coming up, so it's all good. So thank you for watching, guys. I love you so, so much, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye!